Hello! You're kind of off to my right. Not really sure why, actually. I'm not ready. What am I doing? Hello! I'm alive, more or less. As you can see, we're slightly moved. Just a tiny bit, and yet it took everything in my body just to move some furniture. Oh, of course, all of my furniture that I needed to move is like super fucking heavy, so yay. We are where my bed used to be, and that wall that you see there is obviously the wall that used to be behind me. I was feeling really claustrophobic and going a little crazy with how my room was arranged previously, and I had this idea that popped out of my head, and I sort of doodled it out, took some measurements, and realized it was possible, and then eventually I did it. My room is still a mess, by the way. I will show you like the full transformation because I did take some before video, so I want to do some after. However, I am babbling. I hope I'm not overlit. All I have on right now are my umbrella lights. I don't have my ring light on at the moment, which my mom and my cousin, if you're watching this, is probably very happy about, because apparently the ring light in the reflection of my glasses annoys them.
I can feel your anger.
Which makes me happy. We are by my window. My window is currently open. I would close it, but you'd still be able to hear traffic because there's literally an exit right there outside my window. Fun times. We're going to try this guy in full. It is light neutral, so I think it's a tiny bit darker than what I actually need. So, I am decked out in pink. Flashing my bra there. Whatever. And I'm going to be doing an all pink look because this month, on March 9th, Barbie's 60th anniversary happened. And I intended to do a makeup look inspired for such event. Now, I did a video last year where I did a Barbie inspired makeup look. And I think I briefly spoke about my love for Barbie. I can't remember. I will link that video, if I remember to, in the description below, should you be interested in watching it. This is what happens when you don't do makeup for like a month, basically, or a makeup video for a month, and you forget primer. Whatever. Add your preferred primer, should you so desire. Now, I know that it's probably expected. Oh, you're a girl, you like girly things, you like makeup and cute stuff, so of course you'll love Barbie. Apart from a few things, actually, I really wasn't, and I think I fought against the girly stuff because my cousin and I were dressed up a lot as kids in frilly dresses and so on. I think I've mentioned this in the past. And it got to a point where I just kind of fought against it and pushed back. Not necessarily because I hated it or didn't like to be feminine, but I kind of wanted to explore other avenues and try different things and get to know myself. Barbie was given to me by, you know, family and my grandma growing up, you know, because you're a little girl, so that's what you want. You want baby dolls and Barbies. And I loved them. I still do, obviously. I collect them. Honestly, people can say what they want and tease whatever they like. Like, oh, you know, of course you like Disney and Barbie and blah, 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 because of course you do. This is not eye primer, but I like them for a reason. Not just because I continued to like them for a reason, not just because they were given to me and I'm a girl. I've continued to like them because I never felt like I hear it a lot. I hear people say that like Barbie presents unrealistic standards of beauty for women and young girls. I disagree. While I can see and understand how you might think that and feel that way, but I disagree because I had paleontologist Barbie, teacher Barbie, doctor Barbie, skater girl, figure skater, Olympic gold medalist, president, astronaut, firefighter, and on and on and on. And now she's a scientist. She's a tech one as well. She's one of my favorites is that I got when I was a preteen was school photographer Becky, and she was in a wheelchair. And that spoke volumes to me. She's more than just some silly doll. She's showing girls, and not necessarily beating us over the head with it, but very subtly showing girls that they are more than just a girl. That they can be more than just a girl who liked girly things and fashion. And sure, we had shopping Barbie. We had fashion designer and so on. And that's the ones, those are the ones that people remember. But being a fashion designer is a legitimate business. And not just a girly thing. And also not just a gay man thing. Because I know what some of you in the world might be thinking. Not every fashion designer that is male is also homosexual. They come in all shapes and sizes, and the stereotypes are a bit obnoxious. Okay, maybe it's not as dark as I thought it was going to be. Maybe I did use primer that last time, because now it's... Or my skin was better, because now it's not looking as pretty. So, to me, Barbie represents a lot more. I know last year I did a hot pink and purple look, but this one's gonna be a teeny tiny bit different. Why are my eyeballs gotta be so wrinkly? With the hot pink in here as well. I'm going to use. I'm going to use this pretty rose pink from the old Heart and Heavy eyeshadow palette. And we're going to finally break into this yes. I'm going to go into this purple from Winky Luxe, lightly on the tip. I'm going to define my crease a bit more, which, you know, I know that my eyes don't really need that. It's perfectly well established where my crease is, but I really like that dimension. Yes. I'm going to go into this Nomad eyeshadow. I'm just going to go right here. Why does everything seem so darker on this eye? I'm not really doing anything different that I'm aware of. Back into the Nomad one. Rosy shade. Alright, we're going to use that rosy shade. Good old pencil. Medusa's Makeup Stardust. Blackout. But that's not the only thing. I have the chorus to Obladi Oblada stuck in my head. Not a bad thing. There are much worse songs out there that could be stuck in my head right now. Redoing the bottom lid, it got a little messed up. This is a small contour brush. No blush. Blush. And trust me when I say we're not quite done yet. I will wear this. I think I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Yeah. Sorry that you're gonna see all of the cracks on my lips today. I know it looks way off, but in person it actually looks like it goes better. I don't know. I think we found a winner. This is actually lip gloss, but it is a very pigmented lip gloss. I have one more thing. So, I hope you guys liked this look. Which sunglasses were your favorite? I know my mom is probably going to say this one, but I thought all of them looked pretty dope with this look. Anyways, and yes, I said dope. I will see you all in the next video, hopefully. I have a very inconsistent schedule. I know, I apologize. I'm also trying to take care of myself. Mentally and emotionally and physically and so on and so forth. Not really much else I can say about it. Oh, update to last video if you watched and if you care. I have beaten and finished Rise of the Tomb Raider. And I've been playing both Tomb Raider and Rise of the Tomb Raider over again a couple times, actually. Shadow of the Tomb Raider needs to be released on Mac, like, now, please. All the rumor mill is saying is that it's supposedly coming to Mac and Linux this year, but there is no date specified, and Square Enix hasn't actually said anything to verify. It's just rumor, and I'm like, give me. Bye. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves. Love you.